Page 63, Golden Oldie. Here we are reviewing the accents that are typically used in blues and jazz, where they accent the weak beats. Accent 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And they ain't written them in. The accent signs in the left hand. It's here. 1 and 2. 2. Typically you just do that. Without the accents being written in, you just automatically do that. So here we're just drilling it in because we're reviewing it. Now there's a note at the bottom that says DC all fade out. Where you fade out is up to you. The idea is DC, you go back to the beginning, and at that point you play a few measures and then you start getting softer and softer until you just kind of fade away. In other words, the piece doesn't end. It just stops somewhere. That's the effect. So when we do the play with me, I'm going to do a few measures and then I'm just going to stop playing at that point. Things to remember here is concentrate on those accents. Get those accents down, but at the same time the melody's in the right hand. So it's like, what? Can you bring out the melody starting in the third line? That's the melody. There's a note at the third line down saying last time fade out. So what they're telling you is after the DC and you go down to fade out, they're telling you fade out down there somewhere. I think that's a little long. I think I would fade out somewhere in the second line somewhere. So, you know, it's just, I mean, the song's over. By the time you get to the bottom, you're done. Now you just got to figure out how to stop it, turn the engine off, and walk away somehow, because there's no off switch. So how do you end it? Well, you just fade away. Few trickiness, well, the accidentals can cause trickiness. Look at the right hand. Other than the triplets, you got a 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. You got to get the triplets in. Look at the last measure of the second line. You have a D flat, D natural, C, B flat, plus there's a triplet. So it's 1, 2 and a 3 and 4. 1, 2 and a 3 and 4. Okay? Wow. So we're going to watch for that. Other than that, I don't see a lot of trickiness. Your hand will move around a little bit. You use your fingerings, it's fine. Just go with it. It's okay. So let's try this Golden Oldie out really, really slowly just to check the notes and the rhythms. Then you can have fun with it on your own. 4/4 time will give us 4 counts. Now remember the triplets? 1 and a 2, 3. So the right hand is here, left hand's here. It gives 4 counts. It's in 4/4 time. 1, 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a.